Hey guys, it's Mariela. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry, actually, I'm welcoming myself back to my channel because I have been gone for like 2 years now. And let me tell you why, because life has been lifing, okay? But we have our ish together now. So welcome back to my YouTube channel where I show you everything that I am doing to make money online. I am back because exciting news. I am now becoming a full-time content creator. I am finally to the point where I can do the things that I've always wanted to do. And I mean, it only took me 7 years to get here. So if you are here because you want to learn how to make money online, I think I can safely say that I have figured it out in the last 7 years of ups and downs and struggles and just journey of learning through my mistakes, through ups and downs, and also through wins. So I am now coming back here because I am actually closing my e-commerce brand. I am moving abroad because I've always just wanted to be a digital nomad. So I'm finally gonna do it, and I am becoming a full-time content creator. So I want to show you guys the full journey on how that's going for me. So I'm going to be documenting every month for the next 12 months everything that I'm doing to grow my following, to grow in the niche that I can finally say that I know is what I want to do. Because for the longest, it also took me so long to like figure out what my niche was going to be. Like, I just been making content willy-nilly out there, y'all. And I'm going to show you my earnings and essentially if becoming a full-time content creator is actually something that is financially sustainable, you know? So if you want to be part of this journey, if you yourself are going through this journey and you want to go through it together, come, let's go. Let's do it. It is going to be scary, but it's going to be exciting, and we're taking risks, and it's just going to be great. So I am super excited to be sharing this exciting journey with you for the next 12 months. So be sure you're smashing that subscribe button and you're checking the description box of every video where I'm going to be adding every resource that I can so you guys can follow along and just kind of, you know, making this a learning curve for all of us, because yeah, the internet is so exciting and we can like make money out of it. We can like just be free from working a corporate job. And I mean, hey, I am taking a huge risk here, but that's the thing. My worst case scenario is coming back to a corporate job in the United States. And I'm totally okay with that. But at least I can say that I tried. And if I failed, at least I can say I tried. So yes, excited to be sharing this journey with you. Again, be sure you smash the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Where are you in your content creation journey or in trying to make money out of the internet with e-commerce or content creation? And well, I shall see you guys in this journey for the next 12 months. Let's go.